We present LipSync3D, data-efficient learning of personalized 3D talking faces from video using pose and lighting normalization. We first show the output of our data normalization pipeline. We track the face in the video in 3D, and stabilize it to produce frontalized geometry and texture. We further remove lighting variations from the texture, resulting in an albedo-like appearance. Here we visualize the outputs of our lighting normalization technique. It is able to handle extreme lighting changes in this video, successfully adapting the texture's illumination to match the reference, while also removing the specularities caused by the sun's reflection. Here we show how to generate a video using our synthesis pipeline. Our model takes audio spectrograms as input and uses them to predict geometry and texture. The predicted geometry and texture are combined to create a 3D talking face. We align the geometry and blend the texture with the target to create a talking head video. We now show some results for audio-driven video dubbing, followed by comparisons with other approaches, and conclude by discussing applications.
We've got our test set, we've got our training set, we did a good job of separating them out. And we're going to now do some iterations. I'm going to train a model on my training data, I'm going to test it on my test data, and I'm going to observe its metrics. Well, one thing I could imagine is that maybe I'm starting now to overfit to the peculiarities of my test data.
Si eres bueno en matemáticas, verás que la relación entre x e y es igual a 2x menos 1.
So that I can spread out to more people and then come back and share the experiences with you all. So that I can spread out to more people and then come back and share the experiences with you all.
Lay white by P3 soon. Bin red by D7 again.
I think I have a doctor's appointment.
Beer, generally fermented from barley, is an old alcoholic beverage.
She sells ice cream by the seashore.
182.25. The market closed today with Apple stock price at $182.25 per share.
She sells ice cream by the seashore.
The market closed today with Apple stock price at $182.25 per share.
Lay green at C6, please. Lay green at C6, please.
We've got our test set, we've got our training set, we did a good job of separating them out. We've got our test set, we've got our training set, we did a good job of separating them out.
Our technique may be used to create video performances like these from text input only. We can also use cartoon-like rendering to stylize the videos. Here we use them to visualize pronunciations.
Tomato. Tomato.
Pneumono-ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. Next we show a demo conversation with a simulated CGI character, animated using our approach.
Hi there, do you want to play some video games?
Sure, I'd be up for it if you have something interesting.
Can we play this new game that I want to learn?
I can't promise that I'll be an expert at it and be able to help you get better with it, but at least we can have some fun.
Our textured face models can be used to create personalized 3D talking avatars.
Meanwhile, the dwarfs came out of the mine to find the sky had grown dark and stormy. Loud thunder echoed through the valleys, and streaks of lightning ripped the sky. Then one evening they discovered a strange young man admiring Snow White's lovely face through the glass.
Our technique can also be used for video translation and dubbing.
Now before we dive in, let's take a second to remind ourselves of the basic.
以垃圾邮件过滤模型为例，标签可以是垃圾邮件或非垃圾邮件等内容，它是我们试图预测的目标。Por ejemplo, con filtros de spam, esa etiqueta puede ser spam o no spam. Es lo que tratamos de predecir.
En este primer episodio, le mostraré lo
In this first episode, I'll show you how quick and easy it is to write the code, train, and run a very simple model that executes entirely in the browser. Ready to go? Okay, let's do this.